Oh, shit. Why are you here? No, I'm dead serious. Why are you here? You should be at the party. I also texted you to ignore that because I forgot about it earlier today until it was too late. When I tell you to ignore something, I mean it 100%. Oh, God. Well, since you're here, would you please come in? Would you like something to drink? Like tea, milk, water? I'm not a coffee person, remember? Plus, why would you drink that at 11 o'clock at night? I mean, duh, but how about by the time you get home? You'll still be bouncing off the walls. Yeah, that was pretty funny to think about. Sadly, I can't think of any other reason to laugh. I know I said I'm in a terrible mood over the phone. It's still true. I don't know the down to the point reason. This whole work week has been bringing my energy down to 0. I didn't feel like going anywhere, but that made me more mad because I wasn't even gonna be prepared for the party with the overtime. It made me really upset and it made me really oblivious and forget that you were still going. When I remembered, I didn't want to bother you, so I took that text back, and now I'm ashamed that I even forced you out here. Well, when I took it back, I was forcing you to not come, so that's not forcing you to come here in the slightest, actually. I would have been fine. I'll get over this eventually. I'll just sleep for the next 2 days and restart the work week cycle again. I always make it through. You know that better than I. I guess I could use a hug right now, if you don't mind. Oh. This is gonna sound bad, but this hug is making me sadder for some reason. I'm letting it all out, I guess. Okay, I'm sitting on the couch. Yeah, it is better. I'm sorry I'm such a mess. You always forgive me so easily. For everything, you always forgive me without a second thought. What friends do? I guess you're right. Oh yeah, that did make me feel a bit better again. Oh crap, I forgot about the drink! Did you want anything? Make me something? This is my apartment? You're the guest in my home, so it's me who has to make you something. It's called manners. I mean, I would like some tea, but hey, where do you think you're Hey, why'd you push me? Don't leave the couch. This is not fair to you, you know. Alright, I won't fight it. Mostly because you'll go all parental mode on me, and that's kinda scary. Why, thank you kindly. Ah, that's the stuff. Thanks, pal. No, really, I mean, thank you. You didn't go to a party because of me. I told you to go, but you came here anyway in my time of need. I mean, I hope this never happens again, but this deserves all the thanks in the world. Why does tea always make me so sleepy? I mean, you've only been here for the past few minutes. What host have I been already? I can't let you leave so quickly. Huh? What do you mean you didn't want to? What? Stay over? Oh shit, do I have any extra blankets? I think I do. Dude, sharing a bed may be a little too awkward. I mean, yeah, it'll be like a childhood sleepover, but... Alright, if you really want to, I guess I'll let you share my bed. Just for tonight. I would hate to guilt you to stay here another day. How can I stop being guilty after what I had you go through just to get here? Yeah, right. That's what friends do. Would I do the same for you? If you really wanted me to, I'd be there for you in a half a heartbeat. We've been friends for God knows how long. How could I say no? You're right. I shouldn't think so hard on it. Oh, you probably didn't bring any extra clothes, did you? Oh, you actually did? Did you plan for this to happen? You're a sneak, you know. I mean, yeah, I still want you here. You aren't wrong. Did you want more tea or something? You can change it, I could go make some more. No? Did you want anything else before bed? Like a snack? Alright, I'll be in my room. You know where that is. You know where the bathroom is, right? Great, I'll meet you there. But hey, I said it before and I'll say it again. Thanks for coming over.